Hi everyone. Hi! Nandito kami sa McDonald's dahil mapaaga kami sa port. So, mga 30 minutes kaming mag-chill dito bago kami pumunta sa bakasyon sa port ba.
Yellow.
Okay, that works.
See if you can see here.
Gel. Big girl ka na, Maya. Big girl na si Maya. So, meron kaming 30 minutes para magpahinga dito. Pahinga ng pahinga. Galing sa pahinga. Isang oras na biyahe. And then, punta na kami dun sa port. Mag-check-in na kami ng mga bagahe. At mag-uumpisa na ang totoong bakasyon. Excited much.
Oh, yeah.
Me. Are you not?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
No.
Really?
Yeah. What?
You're excited. Are you excited?
I'm excited because I want to do the golfing.
That's what you
I'm
look
so
for.
excited.
How about you? What do you like to do?
Go to the
Go to the
cruise.
cruise?
Why?
But why?
Because
Hey, they have unlimited ice cream there.
Unlimited ice cream.
Yeah.
You can eat ice cream all day long.
I like the unlimited food part. Although the last time I remember, I felt sick already. Right? We ate too much.
Eat too much, yeah. It's got the normal.
Yeah. Isa pa? Oops, oops. Oy, nahulog pa. Ulit. No, don't pick it up. I mean, yeah. So, in-order lang namin isang fries at ice cream para sa mga bata. Para lang may ma-order kami habang naghihintay. Hindi pa kami nag-lunch at hindi kami magla-lunch dito kasi sa cruise nga, pagpasok namin sa cruise, dami ng pagkain dun, unlimited. So,
Yeah.
look at the ship. Oh, that's the Disney.
what is this?
That's the Disney ship. Look at the Mickey Mouse. Right, Daddy? That's the Disney cruise.
Mommy, look.
We're in the port na. It's only 7 minutes away from dun sa McDonald's na tinambayan namin. Cruise Terminal 5. We're here. Yeah. Oh, that's our cruise. Right there. Adventure of the Seas. I think.
Mommy.
Ano? That's parking here. Terminal 5.
Yes.
Drop off and parking.
Okay, parking over there.
Yeah, so go between those two cones and go up to parking.
Okay. Probably all the port fees and stuff.
Dito kami nakapark. Grabe, punong-puno yung parking. Ano?
Mommy, what am I allergic to?
Nothing. We're not allergic to anything. So, ayun na yung aming cruise. Ayun mismo yung aming cruise. Dito kami nakapark sa pinakatuktok. So, our truck will be under the sun for a whole
It's
week.
fine. It's under the sun at our house too.
That's true. I don't know how we will do this. Ang dami naming dalang bata. Tapos maraming maleta. Nasa taas kami.
Lucas, get one of the bags.
Yeah. Lucas, can you pull that lighter or this?
I think there's a thing over there.
Okay. Because Maya might try and...
I can get it if needed.
You got it? Probably too heavy.
If needed, I can get
How about
it.
you? You can probably do it like this.
Daddy.
Under here. That is... That,
Daddy.
Huh? Yep. Got the luggage tags. So yeah.
I figured, oh no, he don't have the information.
Yeah.
So
Does he want a room number?
is he going there? Thank you. Looks like we're going into the ship. I see.
Mommy,
Oh,
the longer we don't get on the ship, the more stressed out I'm gonna get.
Lucas is so stressed out. Lucas said he's so stressed. Wait, where's Andrew? Andrew, pay attention, look at Daddy. He's tired. Andrew's tired? Just follow Daddy, okay? Ito na kami, nakapasok na, nakapasa na sa check-in at security. So, ito na, pasakay na kami. Who's ready? You. Are you happy we're finally here? Lucas was so stressed out. You're not because we're finally here? Yeah.
Someone's holding me.
Wait, my hands are full.
Andrew, let's look fine for the room.
Daddy!
What?
What?
So I wonder how you will get the bed. So we're finally here. Ang liit lang ng room namin. Ayun na yun, no, di ba? Pero at least my window. Okay, so this is gonna be our room for 8 days. Can you believe that? So nagtataka kami kasi yung room ay parang pang isang 5 kasi kami. So ang binayaran namin is good for 5. So dapat yung room malaki. Hindi kami kasya sa kama na to. Pero mukhang merong bed na parang ibinababa dito. So that's something that we're trying to figure out right now. Okay! Let me wash her face. Excuse me guys. Are you ready? Maya ready? Say hi everybody! She's a yaddy. Grabe, alam na ni Maya yung camera kapag ayan na, nag-hi talaga siya. Hi everybody! Okay, let's go. We're just gonna explore the ship. Nung dati kasi, nung first time namin dati na mag-ship, na mag-cruise ship, sabi, ang una daw gawin ninyo sa isang araw ay kabisaduhin yung mga yung mismong barko. Kumbaga dapat alam mo kung saan ka pupunta, alam mo kung saan yung restaurant, lahat. Parang explore mo muna para mas maging smooth daw yung mga kaganapan sa mga susunod na araw. So, yeah, we have to remember where we are and where we're going. So people are already wearing costume. Nasa port pa kami. Hi guys! So I want to go down on this side.
Look at mine.
That's cool.
And look at mine.
Okay, let's go. You can get it for free later. Anna, you have to heat it there, and then it's gonna go out on that side, okay? You have to heat it hard. Yeah,
You gotta hit it like maybe to the left. Right?
Can I try?
You gotta hit it on the left.
Okay, like this.
Good way to go, mommy.
I'm worse. What?
No way!
To the left. To the left.
I don't know.
Oh, there it goes.
Understand? Gutom na ako. Yung mga bata, pinagbigyan ko lang kanina na maglaro ng golf. Kasi tinatopak na sila, naiinip na nga naman. So, yun, nag-golf kami mga 30 minutes. Gutom na ako. Ang laki ng ship. Alam niyo, parang di namin makita kung saan kami kakain. Tapos, hindi naman lahat ng restaurant ay included. So, may mga restaurant kaming napuntahan na may bayad. So, hindi kami kakain. Anyway, paalis na yung boat. Bye-bye, Florida. See you in 8 days.
Bye-bye.
So, eto, pupunta na kami, naghahanap kami ng kakainan. Gutom na kami talaga. May topak na yung si Maya. She's tired too. Tulog na si Maya. Ayan. Hi, baby girl. Is she sleeping? Mm.
The food, every time I take a bite of the food, it makes me more hungry.
Then you should stop eating that. Okay, dessert na. Diyan kami umorder kanina. So finally, nakakain na kami. Gutom na gutom ako, sabi ko, we have to know all the restaurants, location, para pag gutom, kain ka agad. Ayun yung una namin nga hanapin. It should not be this hard. Diba?
Lucas is a boy too.
Huh?
Lucas is a boy too.
Yeah, how about you?
I'm a boy.
You're right.
Maya is a boy.
No way. We're the Sonic Boom team. Hi, Daddy.
Hello.
You look handsome, but I feel like I look funny.
Yeah.
Tignan mo yung costume ko. Gusto ko magtakip ng mukha. Hey guys,
Over here.
let's go. Sonic and Shadow. And Amy Rose. Ang dilim na. Late na kami kasi nag-swimming pa sila kanina. Sabi ko na nga na wag mag-swimming, kaya lang almost 1 hour pa. Sure. So, inayaan ko sila mag-swimming for 30 minutes. Ayan, malilate na kami sa trick or treat. Mommy is a mommy is a mommy, Mamma Mia. Dr. Eggman. Wait for Daddy. Daddy lead the way. Who knows?
And then.
So I can give some candies to that kid.
Dance, dance!
Okay, I sing you Princess Elsa.
Balloon, get the balloon, hurry! Balloon, get the balloon! And then throw it to Kuya. Hi! Hi, Princess! Hey, Belle. Oh! This Sonic! Where's Princess? This Belle? Hi, Belle! You're so pretty! Okay, go get the balloon! Look at the ghost! Look at the ghost! Yeah, I know. That's a pretty princess. Oh, Rapunzel. Do you have a long hair? Oh. Closer. Hi. Very handsome candy. This is Shadow. Ayan, thank you. Oh, that's hi. You want some candies? That's fine. His brother got some. Thank you. Let's go.
Okay, so this side. Who can
Ano kinakanta ni Andrew? Oh my God, haggardness, first day. We've been to a trick or treat. So, ayan, nakabalik na kami. Kailangan namin magpalit ng pang-dinner. Sorry, Maya. Guys, take off your costume.
The ladder, or you can just jump down.
Maya was like talking to the duck inside the camera. She's like, wow! Hi, Maya. You ate a lot. Grabe, ang dami nakain ni Maya. Nag-dinner kami. Fine dining, no? Hindi nga lang ako naka-vlog talaga. Gusto ko mag-vlog talaga today ng madami. Pero sobrang daming ganap. Alam niyo, kabila may trick or treat, may dance contest ng mga bata na more Halloween. Kasi today is the 31st of October. So, nangyari lang na ito yung first day namin dito sa cruise. So, talagang ang daming Halloween stuff. And, ayan, daming candy ng mga bata. Nakakatuwa naman. Kaya lang nakakapagod talaga ng bongga. As in, meron silang parang, what do you call that? Scavenger hunt ng trick or treat. So, parang, alam mo, sa ang pool sa kabilang deck. At syempre, buong cruise ship. Imagine, pabalik-balik kami, akyat baba. As well, si Maya nasa stroller. Pero, naka-costume kaming lahat. Ang init. I mean, masaya, pero talagang nakakapagod. Tapos, ayun, nakala ko malilate na kami sa dinner. Kasi yung dinner, parang may schedule, ganyan. In-schedule namin 8:15. Masarap naman, fine dining. Nakakatuwa. Pero yung boys hindi masyado nakakain dahil sa candy. So, yung iba, tinake out namin. Andito yung tinake out nila. So, ang daming ganap today. Salamat sa pagsama sa amin sa first day. There's still a lot to do. Ayan ang bed ng dalawang boys. You guys like your bed? Bunk bed.
How do
Yan.
we do it?
What do you mean,
They
how?
unlocked it and then they just come down.
Yeah, like if... I wish I saw that. That looks good, right? So tomorrow, we're gonna have a lot more stuff to do. What else do you like to do tomorrow?
Play water.
Play water. How about Andrew?
Go.
Golf. What else?
Play water.
Play water. What
That's all
else?
I remember. Play water. Do the water thing.
Maybe we can see like a theater performance, a show.
Yeah, there are like performances tonight also, but I think we're too tired. We had so much today already, right?
Yeah.
Unless you want, Daddy.
Hmm?
Do you want to check something later?
I can check you out.
Anyway, friends, salamat sa pagsama sa aming cruise today. I don't think I will vlog most of the next days kasi 7 araw pa kami dito, 'di ba? So I don't know how much I can vlog, but I will try to share what I can. And by the way, so many Filipinos. Di ko nga lang nakachikahan yung iba. Pero sobrang daming Pilipino na nagtatrabaho dito sa cruise ship. So, malamang makakachikahan ko yung iba sa mga susunod na araw. And again, we have 7 more days to have fun. Abangan ang mga susunod na vlog. Bye! Thank you for watching.
Bye. Thank you for watching. Bye. Thank you for watching.
Hi, Maya. Maya. Sabihin mo, thank you for watching.